Hi all, hope you have gained substantial amount of knowledge going through the top 50 commonly asked SEER interview questions. If by any chance you have still not checked the series, please check the link of the playlist in the I button above. So today's topic is types of classes in CPAL. Let's get started and let's get to know about this topic in detail in this video. So please stay tuned and watch this video till the end. By now, we know CPAL is an object-oriented programming language that provides the ability to reuse existing code. To reuse existing code, CCARS provides various object-oriented concepts such as classes, objects, properties, methods, structs, and records. Classes are user-defined data types that represent the state and behavior of an object. The state represents the properties, and behavior is the action that objects can perform. Classes can be declared using the following access specifiers that limit the accessibility of classes to other classes. However, some classes do not require any access modifiers. Public, private, protected, internal, protected internal. Some points to note about classes are: classes are reference types that hold the object created dynamically in a heap. All classes have a base type of system.object. The default access modifier of a class is internal. The default access modifier of methods and variables is private. Directly inside the namespaces, declarations of private classes are not allowed. In CLATES, there are altogether 4 types of class: abstract, partial, sealed, static. Let's get to know about each type of class in detail. Abstract class. Abstract classes are declared using the abstract keyword. We cannot create an object of an abstract class. It must be inherited in a subclass if you want to use it. An abstract class contains both abstract and non-abstract methods. The methods inside the abstract class can either have an implementation or no implementation. We can inherit 2 abstract classes. In this case, implementation of the base class method is optional. An abstract class has only one subclass. Methods inside the abstract class cannot be private. If there is at least one method abstract in a class, then the class must be abstract. Partial class. It is a type of class that allows dividing their properties, methods, and events into multiple source files, and at compile time, these files are combined into a single class. Explained below are some points to keep in mind about partial class. All the parts of the partial class must be prefixed with the partial keyword. If you seal a specific part of a partial class, the entire class is sealed, the same as for an abstract class. Inheritance cannot be applied to partial classes. The classes written in 2 class files are combined at runtime. Sealed class. A sealed class is a class that cannot be inherited and used to restrict the properties. Explained below are some points to keep in mind about sealed class. A sealed class is created using the sealed keyword. Access modifiers are not applied to a sealed class. To access the sealed members, we must create an object of the class. Static class. It is the type of class that cannot be instantiated. In other words, we cannot create an object of that class using the new keyword, such that class members can be called directly using their name. Explained below are some points to keep in mind about static class. It was created using the static keyword. Only static members are allowed. In other words, everything inside the class must be static. We cannot create an object of the static class. A static class cannot be inherited. It allows only a static constructor to be declared. The static class methods can be called using the class name without creating the instance. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos. Bye. See you all in my next video. Please hit like, share, subscribe to support this channel.